Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management. Click on app list. After click on app list, click on gallery app. If you want to fix this problem, click on storage and cache and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, check your hidden files. Click on Files app. So after click on Files app, click on internal storage and here check your hidden files. After check hidden files, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on gallery app, click on recently deleted, check recycle bin. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing or disappearing photos on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.